Clover. These plants. They're all edible. The entirety of a clover is edible. Leaves and the stem and the flower. That's all edible. I don't know if it's tasty. I tried some and I really don't like the taste. It's like bitter. Yeah. It's like almost like peppery. Yes.
Is that dandelion?
No, clover.
No, I'm gonna make it dramatic this time. Just as a show. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Look. Come on, pull. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There we go.
That's a good wrap.
That's not what I did to do.
He's gonna wrap again. He thought it was dead.
I just want him to go towards the head.
They're cold-blooded, aren't
Yeah.
They are, yeah. So they're ectothermic, which means that they get their heat from the air. We're endothermic. We get our heat from the food that we eat, and our body's breaking it down.
So he's actually inside him now.
Yeah, he's got his head. Snakes need to eat their mice head first.
Because it's the biggest
It'll
part.
go down their gullet easier. They can eat it any direction. Not sideways. That won't go through their mouth
There's
very
a
well.
fly in his cage.
And the mosquito.
Yeah.
Will
That
it-
happens.
Will it eat him?
No.
The mosquito, no.
No, well, then he
They won't interact. It might die in his water bowl. That's a problem we've been having with Ketsy's water bowl.
You know, just like drop it in. What happens if you just drop it on the floor?
Like if you just leave it in there,
Yeah.
if he finds it, he'll eat it.
I can show that afterwards once he's done.
Does he have two?
Yeah, he eats too.
Do you not feed them in their cages?
No, we don't want it to get dirty.
We
Or
could
just-
feed. We do sometimes feed Ketsy in his cage. It's not good for them to eat plants or dirt. Dirt's actually slightly better than plants because dirt doesn't absorb moisture as much as plants do. But he lives on coconut. Echidna also lives on coconut, and Ketsy lives on aspen.
That's coconut shaving.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
dust.
powdered
Do
coconut.
they like urinate?
Yeah, it's called urinates.
This
It's
is
a solid
actually
pee.
poop up there. Pee.
Who's got it mostly eaten?
Can you hold this in your hand? It's pretty much.
Oh yeah, it's
They're just like make it weird warmer.
So he has two straight off the other.
there's a little bit of a break. Snakes tend to hunt for 10 to 15 minutes after they come for more food because mice tend to live communally.
And also snakes tend to eat as much as they can.
Do snakes hibernate?
Technically, no, but
they
also yes. They
'Cause,
bromate, which is like so. Hibernation is where you sleep and use your fat stores to continue to survive.
But they will sleep for as long as they can until they're hungry.
Bromation is where you lower your metabolism low enough that you don't need nutrition.
You're basically dead. Like this will have a heart rate and brains but like they
Like-
slow down the heart rate and their respiratory rate so much that they're basically dead.
Like normal snakes can go really, really long times without breathing when they're just sleeping and stuff. Bromating snakes can go, he's done. 20, all the ones we have can live somewhere between 15 and 25 years.
Can you spray his moist side before I put him back, please?
I just felt a mouse just going down his snake.
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Go ahead, put this guy back.
So he'll go straight into his house now, basically.
He's gonna.
Maybe.
Might do some exercise.
He's probably gonna find that good warm spot and just go in there too.
Well, he tried to get back out, so.
No, he's not.
No.
Oh. Hey, you went under the from there.
This one, the big bag.
Nice man.
Did you want to weigh this one, man?
Yeah, we're gonna weigh this one too.